Hello, good morning, all of you. This is the part 8 of human reproduction. Okay, in this part, we are going to learn penis. Penis is a cylindrical, erectile, pendular part in front of the scrotum. It is a urinary through which urine goes out. It is an intromittent organ because it transports semen into the vagina. Okay, this penis is made up of three bundles, three columns of tissue are present. Okay, you can see here one, two, three. Two are which are present on the dorsal side. These are called corpora cavernosa. Two upper dorsal bundles and one corpora spongiosum. One lower ventral bundle, and this is a urethra passes through this one. Urethra is present in spongiosum, very important. And next, tunica albuginea, dense fibrous connective tissue present around each bundle. A subcutaneous tissue around the tunica albuginea. There is a tunica albuginea. Above that one there is a subcutaneous tissue. Bundles are made up of special tissue with empty space. Bundles are made up of with special tissue. Okay, bundles are made up of with special tissue with empty space. Next one, erection. Okay, these 4 points are very important. Erection is caused by parasympathetic nervous system. Erection of the penis is caused by parasympathetic nervous system. And emission, release of sperms into the urethra. Release of sperms into urethra, that is called emission. And sperm ejection or insemination, discharge of semen from the penis into vagina, that is called insemination. The emission, that means release of sperms into urethra. Next one, discharge of semen from the penis into vagina. These two under the control of sympathetic nervous system. Here parasympathetic, erection parasympathetic, emission and insemination sympathetic nervous system, under the control of sympathetic nervous system. Next, glans penis. Okay, what is glans penis? It is the terminal bulbous part of the penis. Terminal bulbous part of the penis formed by corpus spongiosum. Glans penis is the terminal bulbous part of the penis formed by corpus spongiosum. And what is prefuse? Loose fold of skin over glans penis. Loose fold of skin over glans penis. Next one, urethral meatus, terminal opening of urethra on the glans penis. Terminal opening of urethra on the glans penis is called urethral meatus. Prefuse, loose fold of skin over the glans penis. Loose fold of skin over glans penis is called prefuse. Next one is the sex glands in males. Sex glands in males. Seminal vesicle. Two seminal vesicles are present. Where are they present? Posterior inferior of the urinary bladder. Open into the ejaculatory duct. These are simple tubular gland. And they secrete 60% of the seminal plasma or seminal fluid. What is its composition? Fructose, prostaglandins, it is important, citric acid, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, proteins and enzymes are present in it. What is its nature? Alkaline nature, that means pH is 7 above. And fructose provides energy to the sperm. This is also very important point. Next, prostaglandin sibilant in endocrine system. Sperm reception by cervical mucosa. And prostaglandins cause the contraction and relaxation of uterus and fallopian tube. And sperm move more easily towards the egg because of prostaglandins. The remaining two male accessory reproductive glands. Another one is prostate gland. Secrete 15 to 30% of the seminal plasma. It is clear compared to the seminal plasma released by the seminal vesicles and slightly acidic. This is the only acidic one. Remaining two are the secretions of bulbourethral gland alkaline and secretions of the seminal vesicle also alkaline. It is clear compared to seminal plasma and released by the seminal vesicles. And what is its nature? Acidic. What is it? Nourishment. It provides nourishment to the sperms. Bulbourethral glands, it is otherwise called Cowper's gland. Okay, below prostate gland, it is present below the prostate gland and open into urethra, and it is alkaline fluid. Okay, because it has to neutralize the urinary residues. Urine is acidic in nature. In that way, you can remember urine pH value 6. To neutralize this urinary residues in the penile urethra, okay, it is very important. Alkaline fluid, it acts as a flushing agent. It clears the urethra. It washes out the urinary residues on the urinary urethral wall if there are any urinary residues. Okay, they are cleared by this one, and this is added to the semen during the ejaculation. Okay, this is added to the semen when during ejaculation to clear the urinary residues present in the vagina. Okay, that's the function of bulbourethral gland. Where is it? Okay, below the prostate gland, open into membranous urethra. What is nature? Alkaline. How does it act? It acts as flushing agent. What does it wash out? It washes out the urinary residues present on the urethral wall. And when is it added to the semen? It is added to the semen during ejaculation. It also clears the urinary residues present in the vagina. Okay, with this male reproductive system completed.